Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can set newsfeed preferences for your Facebook so that you can see posts from your newsfeed preferences higher than any others if you set newsfeed preferences. To set newsfeed preferences, you have to go to settings. In settings, you have to go to newsfeed section. As you can see in the video, you can easily find newsfeed preferences. After you click on newsfeed preferences, you will see many types of options related to newsfeed. After that, you can select many options of newsfeed and you can select one of your favorites. Like seen in the video, you can select one of your favorites for your newsfeed so that their posts can be seen above in the newsfeed preferences than any other page or profile. If you want to know about the detail of newsfeed preferences, you can click on learn more about newsfeed preferences. As you can see in the video, you can add up to 30 friends and pages to prioritize their posts. You can see 30 pages post above than any other pages if you set favorites for that page. As you can see in the video, there are details given for newsfeed preferences when you have clicked on learn more about newsfeed preferences. As you can see in the video, if you want to set newsfeed preferences, there are guidelines provided in the help center of the Facebook, as you have seen in the video. Now, if you want to set favorites on the Facebook, you can go back and set Facebook favorites. Like I will set many of my friends into favorite list so that their post can be shown above than any others. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.